You shot me so damn bum bum. You shot me, then you got me. I'm like damn bum bum. I see the satisfaction in your eyes. Bum bum. I love you and I trusted you so well. So why, oh why, oh why?
Baby, I see what's on your mind. I see you try to find another life for me. And when I ask about it, when I ask, you're hiding from me. Confusing thoughts and mystery. I see our love was just a fantasy for me. You play me like nobody. When you were everything for me. You shot me so damn well. You know, bum bum. You shot me, then you got me, and I'm like damn. You know, bum bum. I see the satisfaction in your eyes. And bum bum. I loved you and I trusted you so well. So why, oh why, oh why? You shot me so damn well. You know, bum bum. You shot me, then you got me, and I'm like damn. You know, bum bum. I see the satisfaction in your eyes. And bum bum. I'm looking at you and I'm asking why. Oh why, oh why, oh why? Another phase, no sympathy from me. You turn me into your enemy. I see. I wanna talk about it. Cause I don't have no reason to believe you. Confusing thoughts and mystery. I see. Our love was just a fantasy for me. You play me like nobody. When you were everything for me. You shot me so damn well. You don't bum bum. You shot me, then you got me, and I'm like damn. You don't bum bum. I see the satisfaction in your eyes. And bum bum. I loved you and I trusted you so well. So why, oh why, oh why? You shot me so damn well. You don't bum bum. You shot me, then you got me, and I'm like damn. You don't bum bum. I see the satisfaction in your eyes. And bum bum. I'm looking at you and I'm asking why. Oh why, oh why, oh why? My soul is hollow. I know what you're hiding from me. Maybe tomorrow I'll see what you want me to see. D.I., D.I., baby, D.I.
You shot me so damn
Bum bum, you shot me, then you got me, and I'm like damn. You know, bum bum, I see the satisfaction in your eyes. And bum bum, I loved you and I trusted you so well. So why, oh why, oh why? You shot me so damn well. Bum bum, you shot me, then you got me, and I'm like damn. You know, bum bum, I see the satisfaction in your eyes. And bum bum, I'm looking at you and I'm asking why. Oh why, oh why, oh why?
Let's learn Rampampam. It's choreographed by Mark Furnell and Chris Godden. It is a 32 count 4-while intermediate level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front 12 all the way through with steps and counts, and then go around and do 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Rampampam. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. You're going to step your right foot forward and slightly across your left. We're now going to do a left scissor step, stepping your left foot to the side, bring your right foot in and next to your left, and then cross your left over your right. You're now going to step your right foot to the right side, cross your left behind your right, make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 3 o'clock. We're now going to do a 3/4 turning hitch, turning on the ball of our right foot over our right shoulder, bringing our left knee up to return to 12 o'clock. And then you're going to do a left side shuffle, stepping left side, right together, left side. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left, you're stepping your right foot forward. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Section 2, we're going to do the footwork and then we'll add on the hand motions. You're going to take your right toe, you're going to touch it behind your left. You're now going to swivel both heels out and back center, putting your weight onto your right foot. You're going to step your left foot to the left side and point your right toe to the right side. You're now going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 3 o'clock. You're going to do a half turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to face 9 o'clock. And then we're going to do a quarter turning shuffle, turning over our right shoulder, make that quarter turn, stepping your right foot to the right side, bring your left foot in and next to your right and step your right foot to the right side, and you'll be facing 12 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts, and then we'll talk about the hand motions. We would have just finished our side shuffle, stepping our left foot to the side for 1. You're crossing behind for 2. 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. So now let's talk about the hand motions. When you're dancing it, for the first 2 rotations of the dance, if you would like to do it the same parts that Mark and Chris do in his video, you're going to do it on the back wall and the side wall for the first 2 rotations. When we start that 3rd rotation, it's going to switch up slightly, and you do it for a few extra walls, but at least for the first 2 rotations, you're only going to do it on the back and the 9 o'clock or the side wall. So when you cross that right foot behind your left, you're also going to cross your hands across your chest. So when you take your right toe, touch it behind, your right hand is going to go to your left shoulder and your left hand is going to go to your right shoulder. When you swivel your heels out, you're going to bring your hands back to their own shoulder. So your right will go to the right, left will go to the left. When you bring your feet back center and put your weight onto your right foot, you're going to drop your hands to your side. So let's just try that with some counts. You're touching behind for 2 with your crossover. So it's 2 and 3, and then you would continue on with the dance. Section 3, weight is on your right foot. You're going to kick your left foot forward and across your right, so into that right diagonal. You're going to step your left over your right and touch your right toe behind your left. You're now going to step back with your right, step your left foot slightly out to the side but next to your right, cross your right over your left, step your left foot to the left side, and then you're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, pivoting on the ball of your left foot as you bring your right foot in and next to your left, taking weight onto your right foot. You'll be facing 3 o'clock. So let's do it with counts, and then we'll talk about the hand motions that happen in section 3 at the same points where you would do it in section 2. Weights on your right. This was 1. You're going to do your kick across for 2. 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's talk about the hand motions. The hand motions are going to come when you do your kick and touch. So you're going to have your left fist out in front of your body, somewhere between your shoulders and your belly button at a comfortable arm out. You're going to take your right hand, and as you kick your left foot across your right, you're going to punch your right hand over, and when you step down, you're going to bring your elbow back, and then when you touch behind, you're going to punch under. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on that right foot. You're going to do your kick, so it's 2 and 3. And then you would drop your hands as you do those side steps. Section 4 in our final section of the dance, weights on your right foot. You're going to press your left foot forward, recover back onto your right. You're now going to step back with your left and touch your right toe slightly forward. Step back with your right and touch your left toe slightly forward. You're now going to quickly step your left next to your right. Step your right foot forward, and as you step, you're going to sweep your left from back to front, and then step forward with your left and sweep your right from back to front. And this sweep will put you right into your step forward to start the next wall. So let's try it with some counts. Weights on your right. You're pressing that left foot forward. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. And then 1 will be your step across to go into the next wall. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. When I'm doing it with steps, I'm not going to do hand motions. When I do it with the counts, we'll practice it with the hand motions. Weight is on your left foot. You're stepping with your right. It's step, scissors, step, side, behind, quarter, 3/4 hitch, left side shuffle, touch, swivel out, and weights right, step, and your point, quarter, half, quarter shuffle to the side, cross, kick, step, touch, back, side, cross, side, quarter together, press left, recover, back, touch, ball, step, sweep, step, sweep. Let's try it with some counts, and now I'm going to do the hand motions. Weight is on your left, you're stepping with your right. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now there's no ending listed on the step sheet, but if you're somebody that likes to end facing 12 o'clock, what you're going to do is when you're ending the dance, you're going to be facing 9 o'clock, and you would have just done your back touch, and you're going to do your ball sweep. So what you're going to do is you're going to step your left next to your right, step forward with your right foot, and as you sweep your left from back to front, you're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, bringing that foot around, and then cross your left over your right, and you will end facing 12 o'clock. It's not on the step sheet, so if you happen to forget, it's not that big of a deal. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. Now, because the arm motions mostly happen on the back and the 9 o'clock wall, when we're going around, I'm going to do the 12 o'clock wall and the 3 o'clock wall with no hand motions. And we will do the 6 o'clock and the 9 o'clock wall with the hand motions so that you can kind of practice that rhythm if you choose to do the hand motions when you dance it. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your step and your scissor. So it's step, scissor, step, side, behind, quarter, 3/4 hitch, side shuffle, touch, swivel out and center, step, point, quarter, half, quarter shuffle, cross, kick, step, touch, back, side, cross, side, quarter. Now press, recover, back, touch, step, sweep, step, sweep. Now start over. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I'm going to do the hand motions. Cross, scissor, step, side, behind, quarter, 3/4 hitch, side shuffle. Now touch, touch, swivel, step, point, quarter, half, quarter shuffle. Now your kick, kick, and touch. Back together, cross, side, quarter, press, recover, back, touch, step, sweep, last wall hand motions. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so that you can practice it as much as you would like, so you can go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Rampampam. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
You shot me, then you got me. I'm like, I see the satisfaction in your eyes. I love you and I trusted you so well. So I.
Baby, I see what's on your mind. I see you try to find another life for me. And when I ask about it, when I ask, you're hiding from me. Confusing thoughts and mystery. I see our love was just a fantasy for me. You play me like nobody. When you were everything for me. You shot me so damn well. You know, bum bum. You shot me, then you got me, and I'm like damn. You know, bum bum. I see the satisfaction in your eyes. And bum bum. I loved you and I trusted you so well. So why, you shot me so damn well. Bum bum. You shot me, then you got me, and I'm like damn. You know, bum bum. I see You shot me, then you got me, and I'm like, dum bum bum. I see the satisfaction in your eyes, bum bum. I loved you and I trusted you so well, so why, oh why, oh why? You shot me so damn bum bum. You shot me, then you got me, and I'm like, dum bum bum. I see the satisfaction in your eyes, bum bum. I'm looking at you and I'm asking why, oh why, oh why, oh why? My soul is hollow, I know what you're hiding from me. Maybe tomorrow I'll see what you want me to see. D.I., D.I., baby, D.I. You shot me so damn. You shot